हाय यश, कैसे हो?
I'm fine, sir. How are you, sir?
गुड गुड गुड। कैसा लग रहा है इंडिया आके?
Sir, it's feeling really good. It's the best feeling in the world to be at your home with your parents and to be able to eat the delicious food. What can I ask for it?
सुपर, मतलब मम्मी के हाथों का खाना मिल रहा है वापस
Yes, sir. I just feel that I'm really lucky every
एक
time.
साल के बाद।
Yeah, of course. But that's the best feeling in the world. You cannot just express it. It's literally the best feeling.
सुपर सुपर। मैं आपको इंट्रोड्यूस करता हूँ, ही इज यश गोयल और ये अभी इटली में है आईडी इंस्टीट्यूट में और वहाँ से ऑटोमोबाइल डिज़ाइन की बैचलर्स कोर्स करते हैं। ठीक है, अब हम आगे बात करते हैं इनसे। यश, कैसे मन में आया कि ये कोर्स करना चाहते हो?
So when I was in 6th class, I was really interested in cars and how they worked. So one day I went to my friend's house and saw some of these sketches lying on the table. Her dad is an automobile modifier. He modifies the parts. He modifies a car. So he made some rough sketches. So I was really fond of it. I found it really amusing. That looked really good. So I went to my home. I told my sister that this is I found really interesting, and she told me, no, this is the car designing field. Since 6th class, I generated interest. After that, I randomly started searching for designs of the cars and tried to copy some of them. Then my mom bought me my first sketchbook, so I started sketching, and I was so fond of it. I used to sketch it every day. Even it was really bad, but that made me really happy that I am able to do something. So it was
सुपर,
really
मतलब
good.
इट इज अ वेरी ओल्ड, योर पैशन दैट इट स्टार्टेड ओनली इन क्लास 6
Yeah, it's a really old, like it's like a dream come true. I'm able to study.
and that too in Italy, which is
Yeah,
one of the
that
best
is-
destination
I
for
really feel-
automobile design.
I feel
That's really great.
blessed.
That's really great.
Yeah, thank you, sir. I feel blessed.
यश, फिर आप हमारे पास आए, किस तरीके से जर्नी रही पूरी?
Sir, when I was in class 12th, I thought that to start a bit earlier because it will really help. So I then came in contact with you, and then you really helped me with everything throughout the year. Every single step you were there with me. You supported me every time, whether it was any day. Every time you supported me, sir.
No, that's really great. थोड़ा सा tedious होता है ये प्रोसेस, अपने को भी याद है कितना वीजा हो, एप्लीकेशन हो, कंफर्मेशन हो, इट वाज रियली लेंथी, बट हाँ, एक्चुअली यू केम इन टाइम, दैट मेक अ ह्यूज डिफरेंस। अगर वही अपन थोड़ा से भी लेट होते तो वी कुड हैव मिस्ड अ
Yeah.
चांस टू गेट इनटू द यूनिवर्सिटी इन राइट टाइम।
Yes, sir.
दैट्स रियली ग्रेट। अब आप आईईडी में पढ़ रहे हो, तो वहाँ के बारे में कुछ बताओ। हाउ आर यू फीलिंग ओवर देयर? व्हिच काइंड ऑफ प्रोफेसर्स आर देयर? व्हिच काइंड ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट्स दैट यू आर वर्किंग ऑन?
So I feel every day when I'm at the college, I feel blessed that I'm given this opportunity to attend this awesome college. I feel like every day I try to give the 100% because it's the only thing I love. So I try to give my 100% every day. And for the professors, I'm really lucky. I got professional professors. They actually work in the companies like the Maserati or Alfa Romeo or
Oh, Maserati and Alfa Romeo, that's
Yeah.
really big, yaar.
yeah, some are in Suzuki, and all the professors are really good. They help you a lot. They're very friendly with you, so it doesn't feel like a college. Feel like another home you are.
Superb. So अब प्रोजेक्ट्स किस तरह के मिल रहे हैं, किस तरह का काम कर रहे हो वहाँ पर?
Currently, we are learning a lot. We recently got a Jeep project in which we got to design new stuff for the company Jeep for
Oh.
the future, and there's a brand Lancia, Italian brand. We got to design some cars for that also. And the second year we will get to know about Suzuki and Honda and really other brands also.
ओके। अभी आप बहुत कुछ वहाँ पर कंप्यूटर्स में भी सीख रहे हो, डिजाइन टूल्स में। तो
Yes.
कौन कौन से डिजाइन टूल्स अभी आप यूज कर रहे हो?
Right now they taught us Alias, that is a 3D designing tool in which you actually design a 3D car.
ओके।
And Photoshop, obviously it's for the rendering of the car, which is the awesome software I've ever seen. I love Photoshop. Another we used is a Maya software. It's basically more of rendering and making animation of that.
ओके।
It's a really good software also, but I enjoy
the
Photoshop the most.
Photoshop is one of the
Alias
most.
is also really challenging because it's really difficult to understand at first what's happening, but slowly you get to understand it. Once you design a car in that's the feeling is really different.
तो तो यश, तुमने मुझे बताया था कि तुम ऑफ ऑन द फील्ड भी कहीं गए थे किसी प्रोजेक्ट के लिए.
Yes, sir. We were given opportunity to go to Milan for the car show, and there we got to see. It was like a child dream come true. We got to see Bugatti, Lamborghini, Pagani. I was feeling like a child who's lost in some like fair with just a toffee in his hand, just admiring the environment. Because I have
Superb.
never thought I would be able to see such cars in person.
For a child who dreamt of becoming an automobile design in the class 6, and the kind of life that he is living right now must be really very helpful for other students as well जो प्लान कर रहे हैं. और डेफिनेटली अब आगे का क्या प्लान है, मतलब ये जो कोर्स कंप्लीट होगा उसके बाद क्या चाहते हो, किस तरह की कंपनी में काम करना चाहते हो?
After the course is completed, I would love to work for Maserati and Honda, and I'm lucky I would obviously love to work with Alfa Romeo because
Super.
I've
Alfa
seen my
Romeo's cars are
professor-
really,
yes, sir.
really
I've
wonderful.
seen my professor, the way he admires his job. The only thing he tells us is that the thing that matters is that you love your job.
And
the
you
only
are
thing.
actually,
Yes,
I
sir.
can see the love in your eyes.
Yeah,
that
if
you are
you're-
definitely.
They always tell us if you love what you're doing, nothing
enjoy
can
it.
stop you. Just you have to like what you're doing. Just find one thing you're interested in, just one thing to push you up every day, and keep pushing forward on that thing, and you will excel.
सुपर. चलो, इट वाज ग्रेट. अब आप कल जा रहे हो, इन्हें ग्रीन पास भी मिल गया इटली का. तो इनका एक बहुत बड़ा टेंशन था कि कोविड शील्ड को अप्रूव नहीं कर रहा है इटली. अभी बस रिसेंटली 1 वीक पहले ही कोविड शील्ड को अप्रूव किया, इसने ग्रीन पास के लिए अप्लाई किया और ग्रीन पास भी मिल गया. नाउ ही इज मूविंग. थैंक यू सो मच यश, आपने
you,
समय
sir.
निकाला. गुड.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
चलो, ऑल द बेस्ट.
Thanks.
थैंक यू.